If you've got any organization system, then you are in the 1%. Most of the vans, trailers, trucks are rolling dumpsters. This is a smart reset, and you get to see it firsthand. That is a smart reset. Every wood shop has to do a reset, or should. Some of the shops I've walked in, I've wondered if they've ever done that. But it's in my DNA from a kid. I like things organized and neat. So the smart reset, you saw the physical part of it, but really it's this part. I get reset. Now I've got a fresh base, a fresh wood shop. It's clean, it's neat. Tools are put away and organized. Easy for me to go get them as I need them, 1, 2 at a time. Now you may look at this setup and go, yeah, but you're in a shop and your mobile tool room is right there. A lot of us don't have that, or we're working on the job. That is where the Smart Woodshop, being portable and mobile, make it so smart. I back it up right to the door. Almost, the trailer is almost touching it. The door goes up, the ramp comes down into the garage. I get to the job, I open the garage door, unlock the Smart Woodshop, put the ramp down. I've left the air and the power run out through the hole in the floor, and they're plugged in and left. I might unplug them inside, but they're just dropped where they're at. The cube that makes up the smart system, the benches and all the accessories, is all put together. The smart bench, the smart station, the card on the bottom, the card on the top, sacrificial strips, the router tables, all of that stuff is in that cube, gets rolled out and set up, and then all the tools come out and go on it. I don't put those away every day, they stay out, and I don't put away the bench tools. So the miter saw, the table saw, if I've got routers out, I just leave those out and set up because I'm quicker to get on the job. Hand tools, it depends on what project I'm on if they're tucked underneath, I typically put those away just because if somebody does come in, they're easier just to carry off. And it's pretty easy because the Smart Woodshop will be right there and I can just put them all away. And it helps me a little bit to be fresh the next day. Working on a big house, and I'm going to carry tools up the stairs and down the hallway, and I want to carry more than just a couple that fit in my hand. In the Smart Woodshop, I just drop in the tools I need, haul them up, and then I have what I need. Now this one here, when I'm on a job, this one's typically set up with basics. I have nail sets, I'll use a hammer, a couple tape measures, a lot of different things, pads to write on, pencils, and I'll have a chisel and some sandpaper, those kind of things. And I keep it that way, but here, I just have everything right there. So I go ahead and empty it out and keep it empty. And I don't use these at all here. Or when I'm in a situation where the Smart Woodshop is right at the garage door, like I showed you, I just do what you saw today. That's the Smart Reset. I just pile everything on top of the Smart Bench and stuff in there. I get them and put it over here. And then I will just roll it because it's not only portable, it's mobile. I just roll it right up to the ramp and I just start picking things off. I take my time, I put on a podcast, and it is very cathartic. Feels good at the end of the day to be cleaned up. Now, there is no other system that's even close to this that I have witnessed. And I've been in a lot of shops, a lot of great shops, a lot of neat vans, a lot of really nice stuff, and I'm very impressed. If you've got any organization system, then you are in the 1%. Most of the vans, trailers, trucks are rolling dumpsters. But the reset, the cleanup, the organization is made so easy, so enjoyable with this system because it moves and it's modular. If the Smart System or any part of it looks like something that would work for you, you can get a set of plans to build a Smart Bench, a Smart Station, the Smart Carts, or any of the accessories that are part of the Smart System or the Smart Woodshop itself. There'll be a link in the description of this video down below. When you click on that link, you can go to the plans and order any individual plans or package of plans to meet your individual needs. The coolest part is within minutes, 24/7, 365, you will get an email from us, not your payment, PayPal or those, but one from us with a link at the bottom. You click on that link, you can go there and download what you ordered right then, instantaneously. So you can be in Quebec at midnight and have these plans in your computer, tablet, or phone in the next 2 minutes. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Woodshop.